Hey there, it's WealthWalk, and today I've got an incredible money-making strategy that will show you how to create viral videos by simply copying and pasting content, optimize them for maximum reach, and explore various monetization options to skyrocket your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to earning over $600,000 per month without ever having to show your face on camera or even create your own videos. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how it's done. Picture this. A YouTube channel called RespectBoy998 was created just 6 months ago on May 24th, 2023. Now check out their monthly earnings, a whopping $1,666 to $26,000 per month. And guess what? They're not even creating their own content. They're simply copying and pasting other people's videos and posting them on their channel. It's a strategy that's taking the YouTube Shorts world by storm. So how can you get in on this action? It all starts with a simple hashtag search on YouTube. Type in #short, and voila, you'll see a feed of the most popular YouTube Shorts currently trending. This is where you'll find your golden ticket, the topics that are going viral. For this example, let's dive into the world of sports. Scroll through the feed until you find a video that catches your eye, like rare moments in football. Click on the channel, and you'll see that they're showcasing short clips of epic soccer or football moments, depending on where you're from. The best part? You don't have to be a sports expert or spend hours watching games to find these gems. Head over to TikTok and search for your chosen topic, like sports. Look for a video with a ton of views like, "Who remembers this?" with a staggering 10.4 million views. This is your proof that the video has already gone viral on TikTok, meaning it's likely to perform well on YouTube Shorts too. Now here's the secret sauce. Download the TikTok video without the watermark using a site like this, TikTok Video Downloader. This way, you'll remove the TikTok branding and make the video appear more original. Once you've got your video downloaded, it's time to work some magic. Open up Canva and upload your downloaded video. Create a new mobile video project and add the football clip to the timeline. Here's where you'll make a few quick edits to ensure the video is copyright-free. First, mute the original audio by clicking Edit Video and turning the volume all the way down. Next, add a simple text overlay that says something like, "Comment if you remember this." This encourages viewer engagement, which the YouTube algorithm loves. Export your edited video and upload it to your YouTube Shorts channel. Give it a catchy title like Crazy Football Clips and add some relevant tags in the description. And just like that, you've got a viral-worthy YouTube short ready to rake in the views and cash. The key to success with this strategy is consistency. Take a page from the RespectBoy998 playbook and aim to upload multiple videos per day. It might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. Just look at the views and earnings these channels are generating. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this really a sustainable way to make money online? And while it definitely requires some effort on your part, it's a proven strategy that's working wonders for countless channels. But what if you're looking for a more hands-off approach? Well, that's where WealthWalk's full class on an autopilot business model comes in. It's a system that doesn't require daily video uploads or constant content creation. In fact, one student set up a business using this model when she was just 12 years old. Now, at 18, she barely lifts a finger and still earns money week after week. If you're curious about this autopilot business that leverages a loophole in Google Maps, WealthWalk has a free class that dives into all the juicy details. Just reach out to me and I will send you the details. So, there you have it. A simple yet powerful strategy to earn a hefty income on YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face. Give it a try and see how it works for you. But wait, there's more. Let's dive even deeper into this YouTube Shorts strategy and explore some additional tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. First, let's talk about optimizing your video titles and descriptions. When crafting your titles, make sure to include attention-grabbing keywords that accurately describe your video's content. For example, instead of simply titling your video "Football Clips," try something like "Unbelievable Football Moments That Will Leave You Speechless." This title not only includes the key phrase, "football moments," but also entices viewers to click and watch. In your video descriptions, be sure to include relevant hashtags to increase your video's discoverability. Some popular hashtags in the sports niche include football highlights, soccer moments, and sports video. Don't forget the hashtag symbol before each keyword. Additionally, include a call to action in your description, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel for more amazing content. Another crucial aspect of growing your YouTube Shorts channel is engaging with your audience. Take the time to respond to comments, answer questions, and even pin a comment thanking viewers for their support. This personal touch goes a long way in building a loyal fan base and fostering a sense of community around your channel. As your channel grows, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. Reach out to channels with a similar audience and propose a collaboration video or a shout-out exchange. This cross-promotion can expose your channel to a whole new audience and help you gain subscribers quickly. Now, let's talk about monetization. While YouTube Shorts offers a unique opportunity to earn money through the Shorts Fund, it's important to diversify your income streams. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue on your regular videos. Additionally, consider offering merchandise or sponsored products related to your niche. For example, if your channel focuses on football highlights, you could partner with a sports equipment brand and offer your viewers exclusive discounts on their products. This not only provides value to your audience, but also allows you to earn a commission on each sale. Another monetization option is to create a Patreon or similar crowdfunding account, where your most loyal fans can support you with monthly donations in exchange for exclusive perks, such as early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, or personalized shoutouts. Remember, building a successful YouTube Shorts channel takes time, effort, and patience. Don't get discouraged if your videos don't go viral overnight. Keep creating engaging content, optimizing your titles and descriptions, and interacting with your audience. With consistency and persistence, you'll soon see your views, subscribers, and earnings grow. At the end, remember that the YouTube Shorts cash cow strategy is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online without showing their face or creating original content. By leveraging the power of trending topics, strategic editing, and consistent uploading, you can build a profitable channel in no time. But if you're seeking a more passive income stream, don't forget to reach out to WealthWalks for free classes on the autopilot business model that harnesses the power of Google Maps. With multiple revenue streams and a solid strategy, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for joining WealthWalk on this exciting journey. If you found this video valuable, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, keep walking towards your goals and dream big.